Hey guys, it's Sherry. So today I am homesick and I decided to do a quick little tour of my craft room since I had a few people asking me how exactly I keep everything organized. So I'm going to go over real fast how I organize certain things and do a quick little tour. Um, you can see back here I have this entire wall filled with just shelves, and I had my husband help me do that because I just have a lot of stuff and this is the best way to organize it. So you can see up here just all the different types of things that I have on the shelves. And I do mixed media, so if you're not used to watching my channel, you'll see that I have all different types of things. So like behind here, I have all my inks and things like that, stamps, texture tips, rollers, stuff for scrapbook paper, things like that, Mod Podge. And then down on this shelf is like a bunch of bead stuff, some glitters, faux pearls and broken crushed glass, little gems, more glitter. This is like chunky glitter, and then my fine glitters and different other types of shiny glitters. And then this is like resin ink, and this is alcohol ink. So I tried to really organize things and have it all easily reachable. And then here's for like nail art, but I put it on my mixed media, so I have some of that. And this stuff is really cool. This is called Dazzle Dust. I'm going to be playing with that soon on my channel. And then different types of glitters and mica powders again. So mica powders, different types of powders, pan pastels, and then my markers, they're acrylic markers. More paint. This is my favorite paint. I honestly absolutely love this paint. I have never found anything that works as good as that. It's war paints and they're fabulous. And then some other paints here. And then I have like my crackle paste and stuff like that. So, and then ran out of room, so I had to kind of put things on the floor. But more mica powders, some canes that I'm working on right now, my wood blanks, and I have these little drawers. These are fantastic. I keep all my silicone molds in here, so I have them all separated and organized the best that I could. These are exactly the same, like just filled with silicone molds. This one is filled with beads, and then my silk ribbons, because I'm kind of running out of room at this point. I got to kind of come up with another idea of how to put more into this small space. And then my clay is all organized as well. This shelf here is fabrics and papers for my wood blanks. And this is just glues and glazes and clay adhesive, things like that. So that's how I got that. My desk is full, you can see, but I try to keep everything close by, so when I'm working, I could just like pull out this drawer, and then I have all my, easy to reach tools. And here, I love this little gadget because it keeps all the stuff that I use right at hand. Absolutely love it. And then, of course, I keep more things in here. So, like, these are all my little tiny things. And, like, these little cutters, they're hard to find places for. So, this little drawer works perfect for it. And then I have, like, all my little stones and chains and things like that. And it's so perfect for this. These jars are so hard to find, like, little spaces for. So, I love this whole drawer system for things like that. So fantastic. Another thing that I absolutely love is my blade holder, because I was constantly losing my blades. And then I just use this light to hold my camera. And then I have like this little gadget. I had this for probably 20 years, and I just keep, my regular things right in there. And my pasta machines are right at hand as well. And then I have my foot pedal. This side of the desk, I have my scale for my resin, all my resin stuff, and different glues, chains, things like that, you know. I just try to keep everything easy to reach. This little section has my toaster oven, and I redid this whole little cabinet. That was my dad's. When he passed away, I kind of redid it. So I have different things that I want to work on. So I have like boxes and teapots and things like that that I'm eventually going to work on. And then we put this up. So this, I built this, and then I just hang like my blow dryer and my heating guns and things like that off of it. So it keeps that stuff out of the way. And then those two shelves up here are just a whole different gems. This entire box is full of gemstones. So it's just nice to have all the shelvings. And then, of course, here is all of my cutters. Now, what I used to do to hold these all up, these are actually sewing thread holders, and I just took the legs off, screwed them up to my wall, and now I have all of my cutters organized. And then this is for like a bathroom. So I have all my ribbons here. So that helped. And then I have a little table over here. So a box full of different beads and my scrap clay, more cups that I'm going to be working on. My, this is a level from J Diction. Absolutely love it. Keeps all my stuff leveled. And then my UV light from Tiny Pandora. Love that. And then my buffer. Now, when I do buff, I move it, you know, off to the side, because otherwise everything gets dusty. And then, of course, my cane slicer. And here's my little birdies. I love them. And then I have this as well. So this can, this came from the Boy Scouts, popcorn. And I filled that up with all of my wires. And then, of course, I have tons and tons and tons of, you can see all the way back there. Say hi, Flashy. Psst, psst, psst. Hi, baby. These are all my washi tapes. So I have that all kind of packed up. And then I have this whole area with different find-ins. So you'll see, I really, really try to be as organized as I can. It just makes it so much easier when you're organized to really create. So that is my lovely craft room. I hope that you guys enjoyed the quick little tour, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.